Wow, this house is very big.
I will wait here. Tonight is my lucky night.
Leo, we are leaving now. You are in charge.
Okay, Mom. I got this.
Take care of your sister and listen carefully. Oh,
Okay, Dad. I will.
always lock the front door. It is very important.
Yes, Dad. I promise. I will lock it right now.
Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. See you tomorrow.
We are home alone.
This is fun.
Oh. A message from my friend. Let me see.
Leo, did you lock the door? Dad said lock it.
Yes, Emma. The door is closed. Do not worry.
He did not lock it. Perfect.
I am hungry.
Mom, I will order a pizza.
Ha-ha! Who is it? It is the pizza.
Hello. One cheese pizza for you. Enjoy.
Thank you. Can't wait. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Wow, it smells delicious. I am hungry. Yeah, it does. Let's eat.
Ha, ha.
Me too. Let's eat
And watch a funny movie.
Very quiet. Oh. Where are the expensive things?
Leo, wait. Did you hear that sound?
What sound? I only hear the television. Listen. Someone is walking in the kitchen. You are right. Stay here. I will check.
No money here. I will go upstairs to the bedroom.
Emma, there is a bad man in the kitchen.
A bad man? I am scared, Leo. What do we do?
Don't worry, Emma. I've got this. We'll be okay.
Do not cry.
We must hide. Follow me, quickly.
Get inside the closet. Sit down and be quiet. It is dark. I want Mom.
Shh, it's okay. I'll protect you. We'll get out of here.
Pizza. But I want money and gold.
Shh. Do not make a sound, Emma.
What do you mean? Is she okay? I have my phone. I will call the police. Please answer. Please answer. Please answer.
Help! A thief is inside our house. We are hiding.
Stay calm. What is your address, little boy?
123 Maple Street. Please come quickly. We are scared.
Officers are coming right now. Do not leave the closet.
Wow! Beautiful necklaces and rings. I am rich.
This is so easy. Nobody is here.
Are they coming, Leo? No, Emma. I think they're gone. Hurry, let's go. Yes.
Yes. The police will be here in 1 minute.
Secure the perimeter. Get eyes on the windows now.
Oh no! Police cars! How did they know?
Police! Nobody move! Hands in the air!
Okay. I surrender. Please do not hurt me.
You are going to jail, thief. Let's go. Emma, you can come out. You are safe now.
Thank you, sir. He is gone?
Yes, Leo, he is gone.
Yes, he is gone. You two are very brave.
Leo! Emma! Are you okay?
Mom! We were so scared. But Leo saved us.
Officer, how did the thief get inside? We've examined the points of entry, sir. The front door was open. It was not locked.
Leo? You promised to lock the door.
I know, Mom. I'm sorry.
I am so sorry, Mom. I looked at my phone and forgot.
Phones can wait. Your safety is the most important thing.
I understand, Dad. I will never forget again. And always lock the door.